Today we're making this delicious oven roasted chicken with vegetables. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. I already went ahead and spatchcocked the chicken, cleaned it up, washed in lemon juice, and here I have some melted butter, green seasoning, chicken bouillon, salt, black pepper, complete seasoning, garlic and onion powder, sazon, and some paprika. So basically you just want to combine all of the ingredients, mix well, forming like a marinade for that chicken. Next, you'll go ahead and coat the chicken really well with that marinade. You want to lift the breasts, legs, and thighs and place the marinade all up in there. Once done, you want to allow this to sit and marinate for about 2 hours. Now, if you're doing this for your Christmas meal, you might want to let this go overnight just to get the best results. But I was just doing regular Sunday dinner and I let it go for about 2 hours and it was perfect. So today we'll kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I will be roasting some vegetables at the bottom of the pan while the chicken bakes. So to season, I have garlic and onion powder, black pepper, some salt, complete seasoning, and some paprika. Here I have some melted butter, which I will add the seasoning to that. Mix well and we will coat the vegetables with the solution. Once that is done, you want to place your chicken on top of the vegetables. I will be using a roasting rack, so the chicken will sit at the top and the vegetables at the bottom. And you know how we usually cover the chicken first and then remove the cover and let it brown up? Well, today we will do this in reverse. We will roast the chicken first, then put the cover on the last 30 minutes and let it, continue cooking. So you will place this in a 375-degree oven for 1 hour. Then you will cover it after the hour and let it continue cooking for 30 minutes. And this is what we have here. Absolutely delicious, amazing. You guys will not regret trying this recipe. Now for the vegetables, I did remove them in an hour. I didn't let them go for an hour and a half. But yeah, give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.